Grabe, ha?
Okay, action! Good morning!
Good morning, everyone! And we're here in Pink's house in Valencia. This bike. Olivia Newton-John, ang ngalan niya. So, she's a Liv Tempt 1, 2021. 1x10 Dior. So, climbing is really easy, this one. Coming from a roadie, I'm used to riding an 8 speed. This is already a luxury for me. So I really love this bike. So this is my first mountain bike and descents are quite easy. Only 5 foot tall, so this is very good for me. but I don't have to do this, so it's really good. And then I love my saddle so far. The only changes I'm gonna do, probably I'm gonna put this back a little kasi it's medyo sagad sa front. The brakes are really good and the fork is also solid, but I really love it. Good so far. I love my bike.
Bye!